tired. I am. I did a lot today, but today I had to stop at my grandpa's to get my package. I had to do laundry. I had to go to the post office, and I had to go to the beauty supply store, and that's it. I've been sick since last Friday, and I think it's just really like my sinuses, because it's all in my head. It's just pressure. And yeah, me and my son just been sneezing. His nose been running, my nose been dripping, eyes been watering. So yeah, it's allergy season for the both of us, and we feeling it. Yeah, I went to Ulta. I got some things I wanted to show y'all what I got. So I mainly went to look for some sunscreen, y'all, but I don't really know much about sunscreen because I'm black, and it's just something that I never knew us having to worry about. But with some of the products that I use on my face, I have to use sunscreen, or else I burn. You can't see them right now because I got like a filter on, but it's like, well, you can kind of see. I get like some damage in the summer, so yeah, I am trying to figure out some things that can help me with that. Of course, I also got some press-ons because your girl needs to put them back on to prevent me from biting my nails and also scratching my face. I scratch my face really bad at night, and I always wake up with scratches on my face. People be thinking I'm fighting. But I'm gonna show you two of the skin things that I get. Skin products for so one of them was the bio oil. I'm sure y'all seen this on TikTok and YouTube and wherever else, but it's supposed to help with your the appearance of scars and stretch marks. So Good Molecules Discoloration Corrective Serum, that's what that look like. One thing that I did see on here that like kind of made me happy is it's like how to layer. So it says like step 1, you cleanse your face, and then you tone, and then you put the serum on, and then you moisturize, and then your sunscreen. We're gonna get into a skin routine video later, because I want to show y'all the other stuff that I got, and I don't know if I'm gonna do it in this video or not. Then I'm gonna show you what I do for my night routine and then my morning routine. And it's probably going to be on a weekend because, yeah, I'm not doing all that before work. Simply because I be in a rush. This little cute perfume. It is so stinking cute. It's called Happy Daisy. And it smells so good. They had different ones, but the other one that I liked, it was vanilla coconut. It was only the tester left, and it was damn near gone. So I was like, okay, I'm gonna just get this one and then go back for the other one. But it's so stinking cute. I love it. These are cute. I'm about to put these on. These are so cute. Last but not least, I got the green ones. I don't know if I should put the green ones on because it's March and it's like St. Patrick, yada yada yada. I don't celebrate all of that, but yeah, I think these are so cute. And I just hope they don't make my hands look like an old grandma hand. But that's pretty much all of the stuff I got from Ulta. It's gonna be cute. But yeah, that's one of the things I got from the beauty supply store. And I also got this lace melt mousse by Even. I think the girlies were supposed to be banning them, and not banning them, boycotting them. But yeah, I bought it. This is my package. Go sit down. Thank you. Okay. That water hit him. I got this from the TikTok shoppy. And I feel like if y'all see the square package, just know it's a wig. Y'all, I'm about to relock my hair, and I don't like the beginning stages of me locking my hair. So I've been getting wigs because what I like to do, I lock my hair and then I braid them in like 4 or 5 braids to the back, and I wear wigs until my hair locks. I like the color of this box, and y'all see why. Because it's lavender. Should I turn it around? No, that don't even make sense. Okay. Crown yourself queen of hair today. Ooh. Okay, before I get into the wig, I'm going to just show y'all the same little goodies that they put in everybody's thing. No shade, no shade, no shade. Well, first of all, 5 stars reviews, you get $15 cash back. Oh, that's cool. I can use $15. You get your wig cap. I guess they give you 2 different shades, or is it 2? Yeah. What's that in? These are clips that I'm probably not gonna use because they're pink. I don't wear pink, but pink is one of my favorite colors. And then it's purple. I love it. It's lavender. It's not purple that I like. It's a lavender. So stinking cute. But it's the band for the wig. This is low key. It should have been black because. And then this is the edge band. So yeah, that's the goodies in my beautiful box. The wig. Now, when I got the box, I was looking like, okay, that box is a little small now. What inch wig they put up in there? Don't piss me off. That's all I was thinking. Body wave. I'm scared. Ooh. Ooh. Ooh, soft. Oh, yes, honey. I don't know, to the girlies who wear the wigs, I don't know what the hell them wigs be smelling like the deep blue sea. Like, they be stinking. And this is what she's giving. I think this is 7 by 5. 7 by 7, yeah. It's like pre-pluck, pre-bleach, pre. Call her pre. I gotta be like this. I still don't know if y'all can y'all see? Somebody say yes. Yeah. But she look good though. Ooh. I don't know. This is what they giving. What was in here? Somebody selling drugs up in here? Y'all look at my little. I'm not gonna show y'all. Well, dang, it's probably in the box. This was early birthday gift from my home girl, Amanda. Shout out to you, Bookie. Push. Reading is fundamental. But it's a necklace. Now I was gonna get it myself, but she got it before me. And shout out to her for that. Oof. It's a necklace with me and my baby name on there, and it's so cute. Wait, is it right? Yeah. It's so pretty. But yeah, it's this website that she got it from. I'm not gonna tell y'all, I'm gatekeeping. Bye!